Bob's got his groove back. Oh, oh, I saw that bite. Remember, just little strip, little strip. There you go. If you wait till you feel them, it works out better.
Now it's going straight out in front of us, over to the left. Oh my God! Holy! Boom! Triple! We are slaying.
That was a goal! Look at that bite, Dan.
Is that 4?
Yeah. 4 on at once.
Did you see that bite Dan had? I mean, for the television shows, we bend the hook so they can't eat it, so you get all these blow-ups all over for the camera. Nice fish, buddy.
We need to get your picture, we're ready. Holy crap, that was a great catch.
You're being sarcastic.
Go tarpon fishing with fur fly.
Yeah.
Is it sweet?
It's bittersweet. You'll have a 7.
Oh yeah, that was cool.
Good golly, dang, what's going on back there? Make sure your slice wide and tight, gotcha.
Beautiful striker there.
Oh, oh, good shot, good shot.
Little guy.
Did you get it?
Yeah. I didn't get the
Oh, as soon as it hit the water.
Did he?
going.
I wish fish would realize that they just calm down.
That should get you bit right in there, Dan. Nice cast, buddy. Good job, Rachel. Hop, hop, there you go. Oh, nice. We got 3, 2 on.
I got one.
Ooh, nice one. Another one, 19.5 inches.
Are those good to eat or not?
Yeah, they're very, very good to eat.
Ooh, big one.
Very sweet. I'm never going to be able to fish anywhere ever again.
Well, you're gonna be down this way for 4 years.
Welcome to the Chesapeake Bay.
He's
There he is. He's on it. He's on it. He's on it. Ah! Bad day to be a bait fish, isn't it?
Yeah, big one.
oh, that might be it. Close there.
Pull up, Rachel. Lift up. That's like that works.
Sorry.
That's nice. That
Lift up for me.
pretty close.
That's out there, Rachel. That's remotely close to the middle of that.
No! Oh! You're doing good on that finish, Dan. You know what I mean? It's
Yeah,
pretty
I
cool one.
like that.
Did you see his back come out of the water? It's almost like a trout rising. Wheelchair. Big deer.
You hunt?
Yep. I love to waterfowl hunt and bow hunt. Oh, look at those big fish. They were some big ones. You see those?
Yeah.
He's on it. He's still on it.
There's a freaking ray. I'm gonna try to what if I caught that ray on this fly rod?
Yeah, all you can do is hang on.
I never did get it up off the bottom. It's only like 15 feet of water. But
It's like hooking a car hood. You looked away and he ate it. He said, okay, he's not looking. I can come up and eat that thing. It's kind of like bow hunting. I got to where I killed all the deer I ever want to kill with a rifle. Nice cast, Dan. That's what I love about fly fishing, is making a pretty cast and then seeing that fish roll up.
Oh, this fish took me right on the reel. Alright, August 2nd, 2015, just got off the water with guide Richie Gaines down here in Chesapeake Bay. Caught over 140 fish altogether, all between four of us. I have no clue how many I caught. 50-ish, all on the fly, and it was just a blast. I can't thank everybody enough. I mean, Thomas's family for having us and everything. It was a lot of fun. So, thanks for watching, guys.